Miss Orange.
Miss Orange, talikod,
Miss Orange.
talikod.
Ayan, away ang
Ang iba, naka-creative.
Grabe ka cutie, okay?
Alright,
Tingin ang face of
brother,
our audience.
how are you feeling tonight? Pero okay lang.
Wow, gamay lang.
Gamay lang, Jude. Gamay lang.
And you si Sir, kamusta mo ang night?
Kahit naon ba ko, lalipay ko kung anak ako nila karon. Yeah.
Ayun, okay. Malipayon daw siya karon kay naa siya din. Wow, thank you.
Alright, now let's proceed for picking your question. You picked question, T. Sako T. Question number 3. Okay. Your question is, how can you inspire other young people to say yes to God's call, just like Mama Mary did? Again, how can you inspire other young people to say yes to God's call, just like Mama Mary did?
Do you want us to translate it?
So, translate.
Okay. Let's call Miss Apple Dalin.
Okay, now, sino siya? How can you, saan man mo pag-inspire ang mga young people? I think all of us here are young, amen?
Yes.
Now, how
Amen.
can we inspire other young people to say yes to God's call, just like sa gibuhat sa ato ang mahal nga inahan? Mama Mary said yes to God, right? Now, ikaw, saan man mo pag-inspire sila nga mo yes po sila, just like Mama Mary did? Sa tanang youth. Nasuno nila si Mama Mary nga ni say og yes kay God. Whenever you're ready.
Silence, please.
Para sa ako, maistoryan ako sa inyo na i-inspire jud mo na mukha ni Mama Mary kay kung wala si Papa Jesus, wala pa si Mama Mary, dili po kasaka sa kalangit. Like kani, namatay ka. Example lang, namatay na ka. Namatay. Tapos kanadaghan kay sala, tapos dili magpa sa inyo ni God. Naa si Mama Mary magtabang sa imo.
Yes.
Sorry for me.
Yan. Wow. Oh, what do you have to back when we die? And yeah, Mama Mary can help
The
us.
help of the intercession of our Blessed Mother.
Ayan. How about you?
Miss Orange.
Orange. Next, yung makeup si Miss Orange. Who did your makeup?
Gwapa ka siya here. Sana
Who
nakikita
did
niyo
your
siya.
makeup?
Gay na. Halagay.
Ay, gay.
Isa ka
Kasi
gabi.
gay ha, kasi agay.
Isa ka gabi.
Asa nga labas sa pagka-gay? Hindi siya matupad. Ha?
100% taga-abi daw siya.
Okay, so you have question number 6. And your question is, karon nga daghan kaayong youth naglisod. Ay, balik ko na ko ha, basta naglibog ka. Karon nga daghan kaayong youth or kapatanunan nga naglisod sa mental health. As a CCRM youth, how can you be a source of hope and encouragement for them?
I-encourage na ko sila para mag-pray always para matabangan ni God and for our help. And matanong ako na to ang help. Ito ng
Alright.
Alright, yun na yun.
Yun na yun. Encourage everyone to pray
Pray
to
to
God.
God.
Thank you
Simple
so much,
answer.
Mr. and
Thank
Miss
you.
Orange.
Simple answer but on point.